Let's get started. If you're worried about scratching your countertop, place a folded kitchen towel underneath your press. You'll need a liner to prevent your masa from sticking to the press's plates. Cut 2 circular sheets from a thin plastic grocery bag, such as the bag that came with your press. The thinner the plastic, the easier it will be to work with. Open your tortilla press and lay one of the plastic sheets on the bottom surface of the press. Roll out a ping-pong-sized ball of masa and place it on the center of the plastic sheet. Cover the masa ball with the second plastic sheet. Close the tortilla press, applying gentle pressure to the lever. When you're just getting started, we recommend pressing a slightly thicker tortilla by putting less pressure on the lever in order to get used to your press's tension. Open the tortilla press and flip the now flattened masa so that the side that was closest to the hinge is now closest to the lever. Close the press again, lightly pushing down the lever. This will help to ensure both sides of the tortilla are even. Open the tortilla press and carefully peel away the top sheet of plastic. Flip the tortilla over onto your open hand and peel off the second plastic sheet. Then, place the tortilla in a smooth, backhanded motion onto a preheated nonstick pan. Sear the first side for 20 to 30 seconds, then flip and sear the second side for another 20 to 30 seconds, using your hands or a spatula. Finally, flip the tortilla one more time and wait for it to puff or cook through. Transfer to a kitchen towel or a tortilla warmer. Buen provecho.